Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Beema's Crafty Corner, and I went Scaventure. I know, it's the first Scaventure of January. It's January the 1st, and I had to go Scaventure on January the 1st for the first Scaventure of the year. So, I went to Tuesday morning, and I went to Tuesday morning because I wanted to see what they got, because they were supposed to have a truck on Christmas Eve. And when I got there and I talked to the nice manager lady, very nice manager lady, she said to me that, well, the truck only had 50 pieces for the crafting section. And I think most of them went into fabric and yarn and that baking section they're starting to build. Blah. Okay, so I did find a couple of new things. So let's take a look. First off, I found this. Now, this was in the clearance because, well, it's last year's stuff. This is like literally, it's more than that. It's from November of 2018. So it's a little over a year old. But I liked it because it had the little grill on here and the little grill tools and stuff. So I thought that would be really cute, you know, when it comes to like summertime, doing some summer stuff. So I grabbed that. Now, they did have these. These were new. My Mind's Eye, 46-piece mixed bag, heart eyes. Let's take a look at what's in here. We'll just kind of... Oh, this is going to be a mess. Here we go. So this is what's in there. It's all Valentine's type stuff. Couple of frames, some tickets, some XOs, number 9, love potion, those types of things. Just very Valentine's. And, you know, with spring right around the corner and Valentine's right around the corner, I thought, you know, I'm going to need some of this stuff. So I grabbed some. So I got a pack for me. And I won't really use the whole thing. So, you know, I grabbed 2, and that means I grabbed 1 for you guys. I did get these. These are from Artsy. They are ring binders, and they're black. And I don't have any black ones. I have, like, colored, rainbow-colored ones, and I have, like, old metal ones and brass ones and stuff, but I don't have any of the black. So I grabbed these. They are a little large, but, you know, I can live with that. I did get these stickers right here, and these are also kind of Valentine's themed, you know, unlock the love. They do have some glitter on them, so I'm going to have to be careful of that because we all know how much I detest glitter. But, you know, there's 7 pieces in here, and I thought, it's kind of cute. So I grabbed some of those. They had some Timmy, and I had to get some Timmy. Not that I like Timmy, but you guys like Timmy. These are gilded accents from... Tim Holtz Ideology. These are remnant rubs. These are rub-on transfers. And it's 1 sheet of gold and 1 sheet of silver. Let's take a look real quick. All right, so here is the required rubby tool. Take these out and take a look. So we have 1 gold set and 1 silver. They're exactly the same. They're just different colors. Yep. So we got those. And, you know, we all know I'm Timmy's biggest fan, so I got 2 of those. Because I got to give stuff away, you know. And then I found these. These are from 7 Gypsies. There's 6 pieces in here. These are file folders, 4 by 6 inch in the ivory color. And there's 2 of each design. And I've gotten these before, but the ones I've gotten before have had, like, you know, a side of beef on them. These are just kind of black and white looking. So I thought these were kind of cool. You know, I could stitch this into a journal and, you know, I could just make 1 big pocket out of it, or I could leave it open, however I wanted to do it. But, you know, got those. Yeah. And then I got this. This is Maggie Holmes. This is Flourish. And it is 8 rolls of washi tape. Let's see, the first one here is this one. It looks like masks, but it's actually butterflies. And then there's this one that says, Love Maker makes everything great. It's got a little leaf on it and stuff. So that was kind of cool. Let's see. This one here says, remember this. And it's got like a little arrow looking kind of thing underneath it. So I thought that was kind of cool. And we got this one, which is the peacocks, which is the one I really wanted. So that's why I got it, because I wanted the peacocks. And we got this one, which looks like stamps. And it is gold foiled here, but it's the rose gold. So it's not like gold. It's just like gold. And it matches these little hearts. These are rose foiled as well. And then there's this in there that looks like, you know, little terrariums of, I don't know, but I don't like it. And this one, which is like little bluebirds with yellow bellies. And I don't like that one either, so it's out of here. So, hey, I said out of here. Okay, so that's what I got at the Tuesday morning this week. And that's it, guys. So until I see you again, do me a favor. Don't forget to reach out, find those smaller channels, subscribe to them, give them some love and some support. If you haven't done so already, go and check out the Roaring 50s Hop. There were some really great artists in there, and there's still a few more videos that need to be posted. So go and check those out as well. Sign up with those ladies. You know, be their friend. Let's see what else. That's it, guys. So do me a favor, if you haven't done so already, hit that red button that's right down there. Like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends, because I got washi tape and file folders and, you know, some Timmy stuff that I don't want. Till the next time. Bye-bye.